Good afternoon. My name is Paula Andrea Naranjo Rodriguez. I belong to the Zurich Girardot undergraduate program in mathematics and the teacher is Blanca Johanna Torres Rodríguez de la Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia UNAM. My lead projects. Introductions. The expectations and views that we can assume various aspects of lives as career relations, person goals, among others. They must be met. At times could be it is as important to have rates, goals and expectations. See these models on the world and actually with you one that is we must always sit a good to achieve it. Habits. I hit a view to finish my degree in a few years and I will be to practice in the place where I live. I used the job at a space monitor company. I will earn more money. I will do the own responsibilities in work. Be the expectations. By the time I finish my degree in Hugh the rest of class matters had due in I be parents and we huge a house. I will hard just as much as possible on do not to employ it. Thank you very much.